Hello and welcome back dear subscriber. Today I have come up with a free training program from Internshala for the people who have lost their job in this coronavirus in COVID-19 situation after 31st March. So this is completely free training. The Internshala is providing for the thousands of the people who have lost their job in this COVID-19 pandemic situation after 31st March 2020. So I will tell you all the process how you can go and take the training. You can get ready yourself for the next job. Either you are in any branch, either you are from CSC, IT, EEE, civil, though you irrespective of your branch, you can take training from Internshala at free of cost, and you can get ready for the next job, your future job, and you can also do some online internship and job from Internshala platform itself. So first you take the training, Internshala free training, you apply for it, and then you go for the different job you make ready for. You can see here there is 20 different training the Internshala is providing for you all at the free of cost. So now let's get started. So at the video description and comment section I will give one link. Go there and click. I will give the link as register with Internshala. Like name I will give, or Internshala link I will just write Internshala free training link, and when you click there you will get one interface like this. So you have to go and register with Google, right? You can go and click register with Google, okay, and you will get registered, right? And after register you will get there and click on application, and you can edit your name and some little information you can go with. After that you will scroll down and you will see our coronavirus initiative. So you can go and click there over there, and you will get one page like this. So here Internshala is providing restart by Internshala training. So Internshala in first phase they provided for a student, and now they are providing for the person who have lost their job in this pandemic situation of COVID-19 after March 31st. So you can see here thousands of people have lost their job due to COVID-19 pandemic. To help them restart their career, Internshala has announced free access to it online training program till 15th July. Till 15th July, note it, till 15th July for people who have lost their job due to pandemic. Eligible users can upskill themselves in programming, data science, digital marketing, business, design, creative writing, etc. on Internshala training through its short duration online training program, which can help them in restarting their career. So they are providing in so many domains, so many fields: programming, data science, digital marketing, business, design, creative writing, and also so on. They are providing training and free training, guys. It is completely free training. So you can, if you are a student, then please you also tell your uncles, aunties, and some of your seniors, like those people are unaware about this thing. So you can recommend this video, you can send this information to them, WhatsApp them, or you can share on the Facebook, and you can tell them that there is the Internshala which is providing free training program for the people who have lost their job, right? And for this only Indian national holder is eligible, and you note it again, the person who have lost their job due to COVID-19 after 31st March 2020 can only take the benefit of this initiative. So you would require to share a copy of your service letter or any other supporting document for validate your request. So while you are applying, while the person who have lost their job after 31st March in this COVID situation, they have to attach some like a hiring letter when they had hired for the job, or they have got some supporting document, any supporting document which can prove that this person has lost the job or this person was doing job. So those documents you have to attach over there, right? To start Internshala, we make this facility for thousands eligible users on first come first served basis and would extend it to all users depending on the response of it pilot. So you can see here it is clearly mentioning that it will be only given on the basis of first come first served. So please you don't be the lazy. You are watching the video, then you go and start it. You don't wait at all, right? You don't wait at all. You just start it and you complete it. If you are watching, then you also, if you are a student, then you share with some seniors and other people, so they can, the person who are seniors who have already passed and working in the office and have some lost their job, then you share with those people, your colleagues, your relatives, like those people you share, so they can take advantage, because here it's first come first serve and they will only going to serve 1,000 people at the first time as a pilot training, and later on based on the feedback they may add some more seats, they may provide for the more people. What is process to eligible users to avail this opportunity? So what are the process? First, visit Internshala training and to know understand training program you wish to enroll. So you can click here and you can go and check what are the training program over there. So you can see here AutoCAD, programming with Python, web development, ethical hacking, digital marketing. So there are so many courses are here, around 20 courses. You can go with and click on view details, okay, like digital marketing, view details, and you can watch. So you need not to pay this, this is free. How you can go, I will tell you. This you need not to pay money, you need not to pay, right? You just go and check out what are the details and how much hour you have to learn, what are the projects you will get on hands-on practice, and how certificates you are going to get. You go and check these details, what are the content over there. So you can go and check from there first, and you choose which training you are going to take, because though these people are only going to provide only one training for the one person at free. And if you want to take the next training, then I am ISP of this Internshala. So please you contact me. I will provide you the referral link. You will get around 200 discount on your training, any training you are going to buy. So even you are a student, you can also contact me. You will get my number and email ID, everything in the video description. You will go there and you call me or you WhatsApp me. I will definitely be there and I will provide you the referral link, my referral link. So you can get 200 discount on your training program, right? Please don't register for any training program with your own instead of step 2. So without going step 2, please don't sign up here and register any program, right? You just go and check the details and you select which training program you are going to take. And step 2, you have to fill up this form. Okay guys, so you can go and fill this form. So what are details you need? You need your first name, last name, email ID, and you have to, based on what the training program you have selected after visiting this training platform, what are those courses you, after visiting these all training courses, which one you like to take training in which field, so you can go and select. So let me show you. I will just fill for demo the codec guru and YouTube, and here is email, so I will just put the codec guru @gmail.com. For sake of showing you, I am just typing this 9117948968. This is my number. You can contact me if you want to enroll more than one courses, right? And if you are unaware about this all, then you can directly select digital marketing, because this day digital marketing has huge market. You can go with. If you are in dilemma which course you want to go. So after that, you can see here it is asking, now the extra field is name of the organization you worked at. So before you losing your job on after 21st March, on what company you was working, you have to give the name of the company or organization and official email ID of your former superior or company HR. So you have to give the email ID of HR, okay, of that company, so you can collect it and you can give. And do you have a service letter or any other supporting document your request? So you are providing, and you are telling, you are providing that, you are simply telling that in Dharamshala that I have lost my job after 31st March due to COVID-19. So to prove your words, you have to give some supportive document, like your job joining letter, or the company is just removing you, you are losing the job, then you can ask your company, please you provide me one letter so I can attach with Dharamshala and I can get the training. So you mostly you go for yes, because yes is required. Without yes, there will be very hard to you can get this opportunity, because a lots of people are providing, a lots of people are applying. So you apply with the full supportive document, right? And you can go and upload from here. Click upload. You can go and select file from your device. You can go and you can select those file and you can upload, right? And finally you can click submit, and your work is second work step work is done, right? So after that, once we verify your details provided by you, we will grant you the free access to the training program and inform you over email. So after filling the form, your task is over, and you have to wait after you got your all details verification. If your application is genuine, then the Dharamshala will provide you the free access to the training and inform you by the email. So you please do check your email regularly, right? So please note that due to high email and a small volume of call volumes of COVID-19, it will take a minimum 4 days to process your free access. So please be patient and kind, don't follow up. So please you wait. You can understand that all the company working with the less capacity of the manpower in this COVID-19 situation. So it may take some time to process your request. So it is telling that estimating 4 to 5 days it will take. And those all what are the courses? So already I have told that 20 training courses they are providing. You can select any of the courses. So please visit Dharamshala. These are again, and you can see here again they are talking about the training courses. A user can choose only one program from available program on any batch starting on before July 15th before 15th July. So you have to select your batch before 15th July. Any batch you can select, and only one program. Only regular batch of above program are eligible to initiate. If one registered for the contest batch for any of these program during initiative, we will provide them free access to training. However, they will not eligible for the prize money of the contest. So even Internshala is providing some contest, so you can participate in those contents, contest. So what are contest? Let me show you. Okay. So Internshala providing some contest, right guys? Okay, where is the contest? Okay, let me go down. Code. Okay, where is contest? Let me. Okay, let me wait, please. I will pause and. Right now the contest page is not available. They are working on some module, I think. So it may provide in within some minutes or hour. So please, you will get on the above. There is contest notification. You can go with. You can just participate for checking your ability, but you will not supposed to get any prize if you win the contest, as you are getting this free access to the course. Right. And now till when user will free access to chosen course. So all eligible user who enroll into any of these eligible program with training start of 15th July or before, we will have free access to their chosen program. Will they complete it? Usually 4 to 8 weeks to complete the training if one devotes 1 to 2 hours every day. So it only take 4 to 8 weeks based on the training courses you are selecting, and only you have to make effort 1 to 2 hours every day. So this is all about the free online training program from Internshala. You can apply and take the advantage of this opportunity. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and if you have subscribed, then please you help your colleagues and the people who have lost their job due to COVID-19 after 31st March, so they can also take this training and they can boost themselves and can make themselves ready for the next job. And they will definitely appreciate you for sharing this video and information, and you will consider as an informed person. So please you do share, and please you subscribe my channel, so I will also get more motivation to provide this type of platform to you all. Yesterday itself I provided one platform for you all who are interested in coding field, so you can go and practice your coding for the interview and different competitive interview as well as competitive programming coding. So those all you can go and practice there, and you can earn the money up to 3,000 on that platform, and you can also get in the cash. So please you go and check it out there. So let me show you where that video is. So this is the video, as you can see here. Prep Bytes earn money by solving programming problem in C, C++, Java and Python. You can go there and you can watch this video, guys, right? So this is the video. You can go and
want to learn
Python, even there is
about how to get started? Udemy.
There is one contest is going on. You can register and hello and welcome back, dear subscribers. Today so I have come up with a new the platform you can go, and already I have provided so many free online certification courses you can go with. You can go and check my playlist. There is free online courses. One playlist is there. You can go and check. There is even courses from Google and Udemy and so on. There is, so you can go and check. So thank you all for watching this video, and I hope you are going to take advantage of this opportunity, free training opportunity from Internshala. And please you just do subscribe my channel so I will get more videos. So thanks again you all. Please you stay safe, stay at home and stay learning. Have a good time.